In the previous videos, I showed you how to create a high cross by extending the bottom arm about 3 times the length of the upper arms. You can also create crosses with all of the arms the same length, which can be incorporated into mandala designs. I'd like to show you how else you can alter the way that your cross is designed. So in the previous lesson, I showed you how to create the cutouts using coins or a small stencil and the larger ring, and we made a straight shape for our arms. Well, what you can do now is if you don't like the boxier shape, you can decide that you might want to taper the edge down to another point in where it's a little bit. You can taper it slightly, or you can taper it a little bit more drastically. And what you get is something like this, slightly tapered, or this is a little bit more drastically tapered from the original basic shape. And you can do this with the long, tall, high cross design with a long arm on the bottom, or you can even just do an even-armed cross like I'm showing you here. And then if you want to change it up even more, what you can do is instead of having this cutouts area, you can leave the cutouts. You can go ahead and trace over a circle over top of it and then just erase the cutouts that are inside. And you can do that so that the cutouts are completely gone, as in this example, or the cutouts show just a little bit, as in this example. You can also play with the size of the circle that you overlay. And here's another example where I completely eliminated the cutouts and just used a smaller circle. So lots of ways that you can change up the basic design of the cross with these elements.